Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we will learn how to use free Claude Code and Google Antigravity IDE. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome, open it, and here I will search for Antigravity IDE. Go to this antigravity.google, click on download for Windows. I'll download this 64-bit exe and save this. So now the download is complete, so I'll go to the show in folder. I'll double click on this exe to open it. Click on this accept the agreement and next. It will install Antigravity on this path. Click next. Click next. Here check this create a desktop icon. Click next and install. Now you can see it is extracting files and the installation has begun, so it will take some time, so we will wait. Installation is in progress. So as this is installing, so we will go to Chrome again and I will open a new tab here. I'll type here open code. Go to this first link. Click on this Zen. Click on login. I have already created this account. You can create an account with this open code Zen through your Google account. You can directly log in with Gmail. Now I'll create an API key. So for that I will click on this API keys and here I will create a new API key. I'll name this Antigravity Cloud and click create. So it has created the API key. So we will later use this. Now I will install Claude Code. So for that I will create a new tab and here I will search for Claude Code Docs. Go to this first link. Click on this quick start. Go down. So this is for macOS, this command, and Linux, and this one is for Windows PowerShell and this is for Windows CMD. We will use this Windows PowerShell method. So I'll copy this. I'll come here and search for PowerShell. Hit enter. Now I'll paste the command here and hit enter. Now this command will install Claude Code on your system. So it will take some time. So now you can see here Claude Code is installed and so is our Antigravity IDE. So now we will do some settings in Claude Code settings. So for that I will come to this notepad. I'll copy this text. This text will be available in the description of the video. So I'll copy this, Ctrl C this. Now I'll come to this folder and to this PC and to C and here to this user. My user is HP. You will have your own user. So I'll open this and now here we will search for .claude folder. Now if this .claude folder is not showing up, so go to this view, show and hidden items. Check this so it will show the hidden items. You will see this Claude folder. So I'll open this settings.json and I'll remove this .env file up to here and I will paste that text here. If you do not have this env in your Claude Code settings, so directly paste this. And if this line shows error, so put comma at the end of this curly brace. Now we will copy our API key here, open code API key. So for that I will come again here and I will come to this open code and I will come to this Antigravity Cloud and I will copy this API key. Now I'll again go to Visual Studio. You can open this file with any text editor. I'll paste the API key here, Ctrl S this. Now close this. Now I'll open Antigravity. So I'll click on this finish. Now our Antigravity is open. So I'll maximize this. Now you can use here Claude in two ways. Either go to this terminal, new terminal and type Claude. Hit enter. Yes, I trust this folder. Here click yes. And now you can use Claude here. I'll ask it to create me a tic-tac-toe game in HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Hit enter. Click yes. Now you can see it has created this tic-tac-toe.html. I can open this. Now it is creating CSS file for it. Yes. Now it will create the JS file. So click yes. And now you can see here it is created as well. Now you can see here open tic-tac-toe.html in your browser to play. So I'll right click on this, reveal in file explorer and I will double click on it to open it. Now you can see a tic-tac-toe game. So now you can see player X win, reset game. Now you can see player O wins. Now the other way to use Claude Code in Antigravity is to open it, go to this extensions tab, search here Claude Code. So now you can see here this Claude Code by Anthropic. Install this, trust publisher and install. So now it is installed. I'll close this And now you can see here a Claude icon here as well as here. So if I click on this, so now you can see here the Claude is open. Now I'll type here slash model, hit enter. Now you can see here we are using this Minimax M2.5 free, which is a free model. Now if I ask it here a hi, so now you can see here it has returned me this: how can I help you today? What is your capabilities? Now you can see here it has given us its capabilities, so you can do anything. Either you can use this extension by Anthropic or you can use the terminal, but I think the terminal method is better than using this extension, because in terminal you have the full power, but in this extension you can create this edit automatically. When you give it a task, it will automatically complete the whole task and then return to you. While in this terminal, it depends on your prompt, what type of prompt you have given it. If you give it a prompt that do not ask further question and do the task and then let me know, so it will do the task and then let you know. As I have given it a simple prompt that create me a tic-tac-toe, so when it created the HTML file, it asked me, then it created the CSS, it asked me, and for the JavaScript, it also asked me. So that is the difference. So I think this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.